think we get JDM street cred as well as a little extra speed. And since they're red, I think they get even a little bit more. I got these off eBay for these now because the bumper kind of sticks out, so I'm going to install these. Never done this before, but I'll take you guys on along for the ride. So in the kit comes a few things. There's hardware, there's the screws, the bolts, washers, and then there are the rubber band type things that go around each quick release. So I'm just gonna cut that open and then show you guys those real quick. Then your two rubbers. Ooh. And then there are the babes themselves. We're getting that JDM speed, baby. Ooh. So also what you'll need is probably like a measuring device of some kind. I'll probably just use a tape measure, but you can use whatever you want. So I'm going to measure those up, mark them, drill them, fill in the drilling. Yeah, so let's get to it. I'll make it up as I go. I'm not sure what I'm doing quite, but it'll turn out, don't worry. I'm going to use this painting tape to make sure that when I drill, the paint doesn't like chip off from the drilling site, so this should come in handy and save me some trouble. And obviously the farther apart you put these, the tighter this band will be, and then the more secure it'll be or the more loose it'll be, depending on how you do it. So it's all up to you on how far apart you want to put these, but I'm still figuring out the measurements on this one. What I did was from this corner, I measured up 7/8 of an inch, and then from right over here somewhere I measured down 7/8 of an inch, and then I just centered it in between this, and then I'm gonna go do exactly the same thing to the other side, and then after that I'll measure it up one more time, put it up there without the screws just to make sure, see what it looks like, make sure everything looks okay. And then after that, we're gonna drill the holes, and hopefully we don't have to drill them again, but I don't think we will. That'll be really bad. Anyway, measure twice, drill once, or measure 4 times, drill once. Gonna go like that, there, and then the band around it. So time to drill a hole in her. Our drill bit is set up and it should be a good size. Up with the screw and it slips in nice and smooth like. So now it's time to actually do the drilling. Kind of scared, but let's do it. There are the 2 holes drilled. Also, I'm going to fill in the paint that got stripped off with Sharpie, just to help so it doesn't rust. Actually don't know if this works, but I just thought of it, so I figure I'd put it on there. And then what you want to do is pull back this fender lining so you can get into there and tighten that onto there. See what I was talking about? The tabs are busted and they don't hold anymore. So that's the purpose of this upgrade / install. You don't have to go like crazy tight, obviously, because it's just a screw, but get them pretty tight in there. Line it up, and then slide that on there. And there you go. Quick release is on. Now it's time to go do the other side. Quick releases are both on, and let me show you what they both look like. The Mazda Speed 3 bumper quick releases are installed, and I think they look great. Installing bumper quick releases, I'm pretty sure just from doing it myself, is a little bit scary, just because you're drilling holes in your car and that always sucks. But first time, I have no experience doing that, and it turned out great. If you like the video, comment down below anything you guys want to comment. I don't know if you noticed, but my rims are a little bit janky. I got new tires, and putting those new tires on, it kind of messed up the plasti dip, so I'll probably be plasti dipping those really soon, and see you guys later. Salute.